back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So I had to work last night, and I have to work again tonight, so I'm gonna make this short and sweet. This is my Boxycharm base box unboxing for October. Yes, so if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. There goes the setting spray. Okay, ooh, oh, I love this. It says everyone will be under your spell. I read tarot cards, so. This is the second time I've gotten this. Where did I just get it from? Ipsy Plus? This is the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo that I now have two of. So, I don't know, maybe I will keep it since I have two. I would have to use this as an eyeshadow though. It's definitely too dark for a highlighter for me. But that's $42. It's a cream blush and then a highlighter. Okay. Next is this Wander Beauty Double Date Eyeshadow Duo. This perfect, ooh, and this is in Smitten and Swoon. Ooh, I love things like this. Okay, what does it say? This perfectly curated duo provides a multitude of looks with effortless application. The cream color primes and adds a wash of color to lids, and the satin shimmer powder adds dimension. Featuring a built-in mirror, this stacked compact gives you a quick and easy eye look when you're on the go. Alright, so it retails for $26, and I can't open it. I do like Wander Beauty products. They're like a hit or miss for me, but the majority of their products I've tried, I have liked. Oh, ooh, that's so pretty. And that's the cream. So this is the cream. No, I don't mean to flick you off. And this is the powder. That is so pretty. I'm really excited about that. We have this, why does this all feel like I have it before? Half-Caked Airbrush Complexion Duo. Let me see if it's the brush that I think it is. With your new Half-Caked Airbrush Complexion Duo. Oh no, it's not. Ooh, a flawless base is at your fingertips. Swirl and stipple foundation with the 110 complexion brush, letting this brush do all the work. Apply liquid, cream, and powder products with a tapered handle. Where am I? Oh, tapered hand-tied 160 concealer brush. Oh, so this retails for $25. You know what this would be so good for? Cream blush. I'm using a MAC one right now, but it's a little too small. This is like perfect. Or foundation. I feel like it's a little small for a foundation brush, but bronzer or cream blush, yes. Okay, I'm excited about that. Okay, next is this Lux Setting Spray. This lightweight microfine setting mist helps your skin retain moisture and set your makeup with a glowy finish. Not only is this setting spray formulated to help you achieve flawless makeup, it can also be used on clean skin. Okay, this retails for $25. So it says glowy finish. I don't know. I'll have to debate if I'm gonna keep that one. Alright, and the last product is the Beauty Crop Stuck On You Eye Primer. The soft and creamy eye primer makes your eyeshadow go much further. It locks in color and prevents pigments from, yeah, we know what a primer does. So this retails for $18. I wonder if it's like that color on the container. You see that like brownish color? I hope not. I don't know. I might put that in for a giveaway. Okay, let me add this up. $136 is the retail value. So I'm so excited about the Wander Beauty eyeshadow, the brush. I'm kind of excited about the setting spray. I already have this, but I wasn't planning on keeping it, but now that I have two, I might keep one, so I'm kind of excited just to see what it looks like, even though I probably won't use it much. And not so excited about the primer, but overall, I definitely think it's a good base box. Alright, let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time.